Hey guys, welcome back again to AI Hustle Hub. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt difficult in making a character-driven video? This same incident had happened to me. Last few days ago, I tried making a character video for a client. They wanted me to appear as a medieval warrior, then a futuristic cyber hero, then a cartoon-style version of myself. I thought it could be easy. I'll just use the existing AI video tools. But guess what happened? Hands were melting. Gestures were glitching. Characters didn't match my motion. Every transition looked fake. And then I saw Higgsfield Recast. Within 10 minutes, I had a version that looked like a full VFX team worked on it. Let's first watch these short clips. That's when I knew this isn't a face filter. This is full body, motion true, physics perfect character replacement. WAN Animate is doing something no one else is doing. Today, I'm going to give you a complete demo of this recast feature, how it works, and how you can create stunning, realistic, and cinematic videos with it. First, we head over to official Higgsfield website. It is one of the fastest growing Gen AI platforms. You can search for it on Google. Its website is Higgsfield, and you'll also find the link in the video description. You can visit the site directly from there. They've been focusing on making AI video generation actually creator-friendly. While most AI platforms focus only on short clips or simple face swaps, Higgsfield builds full video creation pipelines that feel like having a VFX studio on your laptop. It's a state-of-the-art AI video model designed to handle complex human motion, gestures, and full-body physics that traditional tools struggle with. Because of this, Higgsfield has become extremely popular among creators, YouTubers, filmmakers, UGC artists, and production teams who want high-quality results without needing expensive equipment. In the Higgsfield interface, you can see so many features are there like image, video, edit, character, Sora 2, trends, and many more. So, when you go to the video, you will see so many features and AI models are there. Like create video, lip sync video, sketch to video, recast studio, and in models you can see Google VO, Sora 2, WAN 2.5, Kling, and many more. So now click on video and select Recast Studio. The new page will be open. And you will see this interface. From here, you can upload your source video, any short clip between 5 to 15 seconds. Remember, the longer the duration, the more credits it will consume. And you will also see the character option. You can replace themselves with 30+ characters. Perform full-body character swaps. Here you can either upload your own photo or choose from the pre-made characters available in their library. Next is the voice and dubbing section. You can either clone your own voices or use multi-language dubbing. Below that is the background section where you can swap backgrounds instantly. Higgsfield provides ready-made backgrounds that you can use instantly and build entire video workflows in just minutes. Now I will show the demo how to make this. Go to the source video and click on the upload button and you can upload your video. After uploading the video, select the character whichever you like. I will select Yumi character. And now in the voice and dubbing right now, I will not select any voice. I will keep default original voice. And now in background, I will select the cozy pink as background. And then click on generate button and it takes few minutes to generate the video. After some time you will see that the video is generated.
And that's when I realized the key wasn't to work harder, but to work smarter. It completely changed my perspective.
Now you can see the video. It looks so realistic that no one can tell or able to predict that the video is made by swapping the character, and the background also fits clean and looks perfect. This shows the power of Higgsfield Recast, a full-body character swap with soda physics that tracks posture, hands, and microgestures for shots that feel filmed, not faked. Now I will generate another video of one of our most popular YouTuber, Mr. Beast. Now click on the upload video button. Select the video. I will select Mr. Beast video. And select the character. I will choose Kamakaro character. And I will keep the background same as original and click on generate button. Wait for some time and here comes the video.
Of any channel. Another thing you can see on a channel's analytics page that I don't think you can find anywhere else on the internet.
It is not generated as expected. Okay, now I will make another video. I will upload video same, and now I will select a female character and I will keep the female voice, and in background I will keep luxury masculine and click on generate button. At the same time, I will again upload the same original video, and now I will select a Spider-Man character by uploading it as image, select it, and then click continue, and I will be keeping the original voice and background, and now click on generate button. Now we will see the results of our generated video.
To see the analytics of any channel. Another thing you can see on my channel's analytics page that I don't think you can find anywhere else on the internet.
You to see the analytics of any channel. Another thing you can see on a channel's analytics page that I don't think you can find anywhere else on the internet.
Now it is looking better and a little bit realistic. The videos turned out amazing. Effects, animation, movement, everything looks very smooth. You can add even more creativity to make your videos even more attractive and powerful. The problem in traditional AI tools often break during fast movement, turn their hands into mush, or distort faces. Higgsfield delivers clean, consistent cinematic results. Higgsfield's Recast tools allow creators to replace themselves with 30+ characters, generate videos with stable hands and gestures, perform full-body character swaps, clone voices or use multi-language dubbing, swap backgrounds instantly, and build entire video workflows in just minutes. There is one small quick update about Swap Bundle. It is a complete set of Higgsfield's AI image and video tools designed for creators who want stable, identity-consistent results in one place. Face Swap, pro-grade face replacement for photos, keeps lighting, grain, and mood perfectly. Your photo plus target image gives one clean swapped photo. Video Face Swap, the same high-quality face swap, but for video. Your video plus target face gives one seamless swapped video. Character Swap, full body transformation for images. Transfer your identity into any character's pose, outfit, or style, while still looking like you. Perfect for creators who need fast, reliable, and consistent outputs across photos and videos. So that's the power of Higgsfield Recast, a tool that finally delivers what every creator has been waiting. If you want to try it yourself, all the links are in the description. Whether you're a faceless creator, a YouTuber, a storyteller, or someone building a personal brand, this tool opens up a completely new level of creativity. If you want more AI content, tutorials, and tools that save you hours, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, drop a comment. This is AI Hustle Hub, helping you to create smarter, faster, and better with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.